This is the fish creek we're fishing on, trout fishing today. I am. Pretty hot. The heat index is really high, but yeah, we might go further down that way today if it's not, grass is not high, but it might be, so we might go further up. But I might not take a video of all the fishing I'm doing, but when I catch a fish, I'll probably take my phone out. But this is all I'm fishing with today. An ugly stick rod, 10-pound braid, and I have like a little tiny spinner or rooster tail attached. Yep, I'll probably take a picture of the fish I catch when I get it, or take a video, get the camera out. I didn't catch much on that other spot down there, sadly. I casted like 6-7 times. They're normally like a little pocket in the middle center, because it's really hot today. I'm thinking there are some deeper spots, probably like right around there. Yeah, I'm gonna just work like this little area right here, then I'm gonna move up to there and I'll probably show you guys over there from a better angle. So yeah, this spot. I haven't caught something yet, but we'll try it today. This is the next spot. We didn't catch any at the other one, which we were like around that little tree. There was nothing there. Yeah, I'm gonna try to cast. Let's see. I'm gonna try to cast into this little tree right here, and like not into it, but like around it to see if a trout is hanging around that. This little area I've caught trout in, so I'll probably check that today, and then I'll be moving up here and casting underneath that, which I should show you, but said I can't. If you have any preferences, I do have a GoPro, but it's pretty old, and I can get I have head mount for that. So yep, I'm gonna see what's around here, and then probably gonna go to the dam, and that's about it. I had one bite, but came off instantly. I'm gonna try up further. Not much. I won't go too far up. Yeah, but there's like an island here. There's like water on top behind that. I'll probably show you guys. There's like kind of, I don't know. I probably can't show you with that angle. But there's a big pocket here. But yeah, it goes further back that way. So, good dam, creek, probably a cast around there. It gets too shallow in this area, but over here is probably deep. I won't go around this little bend right here. It's a little bit mucky. I normally would, but I have a broken leg. I had a broken leg and I don't want to get injured again, so. Yup. So I had no luck over here, sadly. I casted like maybe 30 times. But I'm just using a spinner, so I'm not overfishing it because I do fish here a lot. Yeah, worm and that stuff is pretty good. If you guys want to comment about what I should use, it's kind of clear water. You can kind of see through it. There's a lot of brush and emergent stuff, and yeah, I'm gonna probably head on to go on top of the dam real quick, which will be a little bit, and then try some bass fishing. If nothing happens for bass fishing, I'll show you what the lake is and that stuff, but if nothing happens, I don't know. This video will figure itself out. So I got back on top of the dam. This is the lake I'm probably gonna do most of my bass fishing on. We'll probably do some ice fishing out here this winter. It is August, so when I'm videotaping this. So yeah, kayak fishing is probably what I'm gonna mainly do. Fishing probably this whole shoreline for bass. It's my main lucky spot, but we'll still try over here on this side of the lake. I'll do a lot of fishing with other people, probably do some videotaping. I have a GoPro, but it's pretty old. Might take some videos on it with fishing, and if it's terrible, I'll probably not upload them. But right now I'm doing it on my phone, which is pretty nice. And comment if what else I should do besides musky fishing. Sturgeon I might do with a friend, but it'd probably be a while before I do that. Yep, ice fishing would be good. Not walleye fishing. I don't do walleye probably because I might do a walleye video, but if I did, I'll probably put walleye as the title, but this is a bass and trout fishing video. Yeah, two main things. So mainly been using this little craw right here, but it's mainly these two craws, the rage tail blue craw, and then this green and pumpkin blue craw from Reaction Evasions, and then rage tail. I'm mostly doing it on a Texas rig, which is mostly what I've been doing, but I'll probably do more videos of other bass lakes I go to, but yep. I'll probably have a lot of people that I'll fish with, but I'll probably take short videos, but it won't be that bad. So yeah. Plus, this is a kind of cool lake. Earlier, there was a carp jump, I think. I might do some carp fishing. Wade fishing, which is bait fishing, but on land, but with rods out. Probably to get a video of that. But yeah. In the meanwhile, this is probably my last little short vid of the big video. Please share with friends and comment what things I should improve. And I will probably try the GoPro that I have. It's pretty old, but it'll work. Yep, this will be good footage once I get it cropped. And if you like my intro to this, thank you. It's my first time with that intro. My other videos don't have it because I didn't do it, the intro, when I had it. But yeah, see you in next video.